Valley.
You bet. Thanks, Jeff. Elsewhere in the country, portions of Florida saw rain and thunderstorms today, while winter was still in full force in parts of Ohio and Kentucky. Residents in Cincinnati spent the day digging out from a record-breaking snowstorm. The city received 18 inches of snow during the storm, which ended around midnight. You can look forward to a break tomorrow with partly cloudy skies in the Cincinnati area. Look at that. It can be a beautiful sight, but boy, when you're trying to travel in that or trying to shovel or use the snow blower in that, it can be a real pain. There's a look in the east now, and again, the snow is generally settled across northern portions of Kentucky. There are still some reports of some light snow. We're also a little concerned around the D.C. area. A little bit of light rain, drizzle across this region. Temperatures have been above the freezing point, but as the temperatures fall, we may find any existing moisture on the pavement will freeze, and that could cause some slick spots. That would be more so on some of the secondary and lesser traveled roads, maybe the bridges and the overpasses. Also, a little bit of light frost may form in some regions. With all the moisture and the light winds, we could see a little bit of frost on some pavement surfaces, and that may cause things to slicken up. So we do caution you in and around the Capital District to be very careful with your driving through the overnight. Again, there's a look at the radar. We can see how the moisture is really kind of letting up here. We're seeing more of a northerly flow of wind, and therefore we're not seeing a lot of moisture to work with our disturbance. So the snows will let up and a drier day can be expected heading on into your Saturday. Wet here too, but it's going to get drier for you on Saturday. Before that happens though, this low is going to continue to move eastward, and we are going to continue to see a strong line of storms from Vero Beach to Jupiter Inlet. We do have special marine warnings in effect, and now Broward County under the gun with a severe thunderstorm warning. So watch it around Broward County as these storms are heading on in. Around the Sawgrass Expressway, you're going to see it. You're going to have it along Florida's Turnpike and I-95, Boca Raton, also extending on into the Deerfield Beach area and on up toward West Palm. This is a nasty line of thunderstorms. Small hail may be associated with these storms, as well as some very, very gusty winds. And it was a little bit earlier around the Naples area, actually around Marco Island and around the Goodland area, that we had a confirmed tornado. So pretty nasty situation here, and you can see from Lake Okeechobee extending on up towards St. Lucie County, some very heavy rain. Behind this whole thing, behind the front, northerly winds, northwesterly winds, pretty strong. So we do have the gale warnings in effect from Jupiter Inlet to Cape Sable, Florida. And there's a look at your forecast as we head into the overnight. Very cool air across the northern tier. Feels very winter-like, but keeping it fairly mild across the southern tip of Florida. Look at these 30s though across much of Georgia, and some 20s on into North Georgia. Very cool start to your weekend. Our low is going to move off the coast here by morning, maybe wrapping around a little bit of moisture into around the Jacksonville area. That's a possibility. We'll keep that in mind. But the big news for tomorrow is going to be all the moisture in the west, and the wet weather, folks, is going to continue as we head into your Saturday. Locally, a foot or more of snow, and you can expect to see plenty of rain and wind with this next system from San Francisco down toward LA. Stay with us. Complete travel conditions are just ahead on TravelWise after your local forecast. We'll be right back.
When you're on the go, get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through these sources. And now your local forecast.
nasty germ. It could make you pretty sick. And the worst part is germs live on all kinds of things, even things we touch every day. But luckily, Purell Instant Hand Sanitizer is clinically proven to kill germs without water or towels. So use it often, anytime, any place. After all, who knows what you're in line for? To help stay well, Purell. And now there's aloe and icy blue mint Purell.
10 cents may not look like much to you, but sign up for Sprint Cents Long Distance now, and you'll be amazed at what this little dime can do.
Every time I get another dime, I think about calling my agent for just 10 cents a minute. So what if he puts me on hold?
Barb, your agent's on the phone.
Coming. Yes.
Funny. Ever since I got Sprint's dime a minute rate, I can call anywhere in the country and know exactly what I'm paying every month. Nothing surprises me. Hi.
Suddenly, it all makes sense. I work all day, so with 10 cents a minute nights and weekends, I can give myself the green light to talk.
Call now and you'll get an extra bonus, up to 200 minutes free.
Of course, I could pay more nights and weekends, but that wouldn't make sense.
To me, the biggest thing is I get up to 200 minutes free. That's cool.
With Sprint Cents, it all makes sense. See for yourself. Call now, 1-800-913-9725.
This Travel Wise is sponsored by Mazda. Come see what happens when a car company has more engineers and fewer accountants. Mazda. Okay, out there tonight we have a couple of spots that definitely are worth watching. The southeast, where we have thunderstorms moving through Florida at this time. A lot of this not reaching the ground, but we do have some snow that's still reaching the ground here in the Ohio Valley that we'll talk about. And then the west coast. Another night of nasty rainfall here. Now we think that we'll kind of be in between storms by tomorrow morning. Unfortunately though, there will be another one here off the coast getting ready to come on shore by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. So while you're sleeping, probably the rain will be tapering off, and when you get up, it'll be coming back in here, and the wind should start to pick up too. Meanwhile, not bad as far as traveling here across the country. Now, we're still going to have some problems, some slick roadways here through the Ohio Valley, where we did have all the record snowfall here in Cincinnati, Louisville, Lexington, Interstate 71, 75. We're pretty clear here the last couple of days. Shouldn't have any trouble here on the major highways, but the secondary roads still might be some problems there. But this low that's affecting Florida will be moving off the coast, so some good news there. But the west coast is our trouble spot, and we're looking at some major problems on Highway 101. Actually, the PCH part of it has been closed tonight, so you might want to find some alternate routes if you're heading down towards Monterey tonight, let's say. And heavy rain continuing into San Francisco, Fresno. 5,000 feet, it is snowfall, and it is windy too. A big problem here, especially along the coast. If you are traveling Highway 101, watch out for the winds. And we're still looking at some strong storms, actually some severe storms moving through Florida at this time. West Palm Beach will be affected here. Take cover.
Making weekend plans? Don't miss the Weekend Outlook coming up.
Cazzo, ma adesso ne voglio sentire più, basta. Ma che sei? Basta, basta. Piacere.
Perché guarda, una bellissima opera.
E tu come hai fatto a vedere l'opera con questi occhi viaggianti, eh? Sì, tu. Ti ho visto guardando quella soprana.
La soprana?
La soprana?
Ma che soprana? Io ho guardato...
Quale soprana? L'unico spettacolo. Sei stato tu. Sei stato tu l'unico spettacolo. Sei stato tu l'unico spettacolo.
Mi devi far capire. Che c'entra la soprana? Tu la guardavo così, ci vai tu, e ci vai tu, e ci vai tu, e ci vai tu.
The Mazda Millennia. So accommodating. The steering wheel repositions itself.
No e no.
As often as necessary. Now lease a Mazda Millennia for just $349 a month.
You could take this for your stuffy nose, this for chest congestion and cough, this for pain. Or you can take Comtrex Deep Chest Cold, with all the medicine you need to relieve your major chest cold symptoms. So why take these? Comtrex Deep Chest Cold does it all.
How does the almond get into Hershey's Kisses with almonds? Little Hershey's Kisses with almonds. Big chocolate taste.
Well, it's the weekend, Friday night. Everybody making big plans this weekend. Actually, probably a lot of people thinking, we're in February, not too far away from springtime. Well, you know what? Actually, temperature-wise, it hasn't been that bad. And it's not going to be that bad this weekend. If you have plans maybe to do some sled riding here through the Ohio Valley, where we had lots of snow in Adams County, possibly Hamilton County here in Ohio, it's going to be the weekend to do it, but you better get out there and do it, because with temperatures in the 30s, probably above freezing through the weekend, we're going to see some snow melt. We've already seen that in Cincinnati, where the snow is down to about 12 inches now, where you had 18 inches earlier. So temperatures got in the upper 30s here on Friday. But 60s and 70s for Texas, not too bad at all. Now the good news is the eastern half of the country, you're going to have a beautiful weekend. Maybe little clouds in the southeast through the Ohio Valley. That's really about it. New York and Boston, great day to head out and maybe try to get in those New Year's resolutions, maybe get out and do some jogging here. But for the West Coast, not a good idea to be outdoors. Probably be worried about the flooding that will continue to go on here through the weekend. Coming up next, we'll talk about where we're having some big problems here in the West Coast. Stay tuned.
Far to the north of where you and I dwell, there lives a beautiful princess in a mystical kingdom. For a long time now, she's been the keeper of Alaska's many secrets. Come, and she'll whisper them to you. Princess, let her take you away.
Call American Express Travel at 800-AXP-6000 and ask for our Bon Voyage offer on Princess.
Turn to the Weather Channel tomorrow morning for up-to-the-minute reports on weather affecting your day, travel, or commute. Get the information you need every morning on the Weather
The people who bring you more choices at the touch of a button. And personal service.
Terrific. So I'll see you before lunch.
At the touch of a phone.
Thank you.
Are about to help you touch the future. Time Warner Cable. Imagine what's next.
Schneider Home Equipment Company, your home improvement specialist since 1935. From traditional elegant doorway entrances, windows, and porch enclosures to state-of-the-art maintenance-free ultra lattice, it never needs paint. Call Schneider Home Equipment Company for a free estimate and increase the value of your home. 522-1200. Doors, windows, porch enclosures, and new ultra lattice. Schneider Home Equipment Company.
This is your local forecast. Weather information you can plan on, only on the Weather Channel. The Weather Channel. No place on Earth has better weather.
Well, winter storm update. Do we have any winter storms out there tonight? Well, we do. We have one coming into the West Coast, another one And guess what? We have another one here on its heels. So we have one storm here in the west. We also have a low pressure area and a front coming through southern Florida. We're seeing some severe weather. We'll talk about that. Plus the snow continuing in the Ohio Valley. Will you get more accumulation? Well, we'll find that out too. But let's look at the west here. What a mess it has been tonight. We're talking about heavy to moderate rainfall continuing for San Francisco, continuing for Los Angeles, reporting thunder with heavy rain right now. So from Los Angeles all the way up the coast here to Medford, Oregon, we're seeing the rain tonight. And when you get to about 5,000 feet, you know what it is. It's snow. It is snowing. And we could expect maybe over a foot of snowfall here tonight. And areas here along the coast, maybe up to an inch, but farther inland where we get that upslope conditions setting up, you know what that means. You have westerly winds, southwesterly winds, and it's moving up the mountains. And it's wringing out all that moisture, and below 5,000 feet, it is in the form of rain. 5,000 feet, it is snowfall. Even some snow falling in the Wasatch tonight. And it's been windy too along the coastal areas. We're still seeing winds gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour, especially along the Oregon coast where we do have storm warnings out. So mariners beware there, and heavy surf to go along with it all the way to the U.S.-Mexican border. Now here's a satellite, or the radar, showing some scattered showers, but where you do get showers, you're seeing some heavy rainfall. So you'll see some heavy rain, then it'll go away for a while, and you might see a few more showers moving in behind it. So you're not out of the woods yet in Los Angeles or San Francisco, but it looks like the heavier band now moving away from the bay. But again, for Sacramento and Fresno, we could expect some heavy rainfall here and some embedded thunderstorms with these too. Like right here just southeast of San Francisco, we're seeing this heavy band of rainfall getting ready to come across Interstate 5. San Diego, you've been kind of spared from this. Unfortunately, Los Angeles, we're seeing thunderstorms rolling through right now. Heavy snows, of course, in the higher elevations. Even the mountains here in Southern California picking up some additional snowfall tonight. Now, farther east, high pressure control, no big deal here, but we're still getting some of the upper level easterly winds here, kind of some energy still left over from our nor'easter, believe it or not, and we're still seeing a little bit of snow in the Ohio Valley. And look at the records we have broken here. Record all-time storm totals for Cincinnati and Louisville. And the snow continues in Louisville, not a big deal anymore, but Cincinnati is pretty much ended. We could maybe pick up maybe up to an inch, not a big deal. Some light rain in Washington and Baltimore. That may cause some problems later on tonight when the temperatures fall below freezing. They could ice up the roadways here for you. Maybe some snow in the Appalachians and West Virginia. Now in Florida, it's severe weather. We do have severe thunderstorm warnings out for Fort Lauderdale and also for West Palm Beach, so please be careful out there. Stay tuned.
While the worst of the storm is over, the devastating effects of flooding are still being felt, and there's more to come. Details on WeatherScope after your local forecast.
Hey, this isn't Pine Sol.
What's wrong with Bargain Pine?
Jimmy, bring 4 Bargain Pines up here.
4? What for?
You'd have to buy 4 of those equal the cleaning power in 1 Pine Sol.
I'll take Pine Sol.
Jimmy, cancel those. Clean up on aisle 6.
Cold enough for you? Yeah. Quick race around the block? You and me, around the block.
I don't think so.
Look, they say the Subaru is better in the snow than your BMW, and I say we find out.
In tests, an all-wheel drive Subaru outhandled the BMW 328i with traction control. That's why we put all-wheel drive on every car we make.
Am I sensing a little reluctance?
Subaru, the beauty of all-wheel drive.
Visit your nearest Subaru dealer today to experience the beauty of all-wheel drive.
Genital herpes isn't just about worrying over future outbreaks. It's about suppressing them. And it's not only about waiting for an outbreak to begin treatment. It's about suppressing it ahead of time with Valtrex just once a day. Call this number to get product information for Valtrex and a free trial coupon. Remember, even if you don't have symptoms and are on suppressive therapy, it may be possible to spread herpes to others. There is no cure for genital herpes, and Valtrex may not prevent all recurrences. If your immune system is not normal because of advanced HIV disease, bone marrow, or kidney transplant, Make sure your doctor knows this to avoid a potentially serious complication. In studies, the most common side effect was headache. See our ad in Life magazine. Don't wait. Call this number today and ask your doctor about Valtrex. It's about suppression.
Glaxo Welcome. Breakthrough medicines for everyday living.
Gumbo, gumbo, gumbo. It's soup with jazz. And Healthy Choice makes a wild one. It's called Zesty Gumbo. Chicken, sausage, lots of flavor, and a lot less sodium. That's Healthy Choice. You get yourself a big bowl, and you let the good times roll.
I'm feeling pretty much like a drowned rat here. Another day of... I'm soaked. My shoes are wet. My socks are wet. I hate the rain.
Well, maybe the rain hates you.
Yeah, you tell him, Sheriff.
Who, me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. Maybe the rain hates you. How can we appreciate the sun if we don't have the rain? It irrigates crops.
Look, I think you just better leave, all right?
I love the rain.
Not worth it, Jerry.
The Weather Channel's program schedule may be different than normal during the next half hour due to special weather coverage. Stay with us. A comprehensive update is just ahead on WeatherScope. Right now, your local forecast.
Storm Team 5 has what you need to know for